Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you always healthy and enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Duina. I want to tell about British parliamentary debate is effective to teach speaking view from student motivation. I want a presentation about the title. Guys, what is debate? Debate, according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary KBBI, the definition of debate is the exchange and discussion of opinions regarding a matter by conveying arguments or reason to teach others with the aim of defending opinions and even winning opinions. Before getting into the topic of the presentation, I want to ask, has everyone ever argued here? Surely everyone has, even for small things, with your boyfriend or girlfriend, with your parents, or with your friends, or each other. Now, let's into the topic. The study investigate whether number 1. British parliamentary debate is more effective than small group discussion in teaching speaking. Number 2. The students with high motivation have better speaking skill than those who have low motivation. Number 3. Interaction between teaching method and students' motivation in teaching speaking occurs. Speaking is a contextual expression from what people think of when someone wants to speak. They need to select suitable topic, then elaborate the idea in order to make interlocutor understand what is actually being spoken. In academic contents, debate can be an eligible teaching method to teach speaking. It is a platform to stimulate students to argue individually, stick to other student arguments, and defend their own. As one of speaking activities, especially two-way communication activities, debate has been an inherent substance of habitual activities where people use their analysis to certain issues by construction and comparing personal prediction, if possible, be based on fact. Another teaching method which, if evidently able to scaffold the principle of student-centered learning to small group discussion (SDG). Finding and discussion. First, BPS allows students to prepare themselves while be doing some research before the class begins. 2. BPS caters the need of technical vocabularies which other people might hear them relay to operational word list. The topic or motion to discuss is not always complicated. International issues may also concern with education policy, cultural heritage, children, and other topics everybody can bump into. And then, by debating and discussion, they will share their knowledge, confront each other, and end up with some resolution. Individual speech, on the other hand, is also to make them aware of what to deliver. These are why BPS is able to cater and bring students more comprehensive to the topic. Finally, the conclusion. This study concludes 3 major points. 1. BPS is more effective than SDG in teaching speaking. 2. The student having high motivation perform better speaking skill than tests with low motivation. And 3. Interaction between student motivation in teaching speaking occurred with significance than when students having high motivation are taught by using BPS. On the other hand, students with low motivation perform better speaking skill when they are taught using SDG. And therefore, this study suggests that 1. It is recommended for teachers to implement British parliamentary system in teaching speaking. 2. Is better for students with high motivation to use British parliamentary system. And 3. It is recommended to use the finding of this study as a reference for research focusing on different yet related variable or different characteristic of population. Before ending this presentation, let's summarize some important things. How about you guys? What you summarize of the presentation this? From me is the same from we have in conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen database results. Let's all prove in the real life to make learning easier. Before ending this presentation, does anyone want to ask question? As a closing, allow me to deliver a poem before ending this presentation. Fried rice tastes delicious. Eaten in Batu City. I thank you for all your love and concern. Nice to meet you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope we can meet again on another occasion. Thank you.